People interact with cloud applications on a daily, if not hourly basis. We use them to play music, share photos and videos, store passwords, and a whole lot more. It's no surprise that the number of cloud-native applications is expected to more than double over the next year. That's why cloud-native architecture jobs are rapidly growing as companies seek employees who are up to date on cutting-edge cloud technology. To meet the demand, Udacity has teamed up with the best in the field to teach you how to run and manage scalable applications in cloud-native environments with the Cloud Native Application Architecture Nanodegree program. In this Nanodegree program, you will learn how to use open source tools and projects like Argo CD, gRPC, and Grafana. You'll develop the skills to identify the best application architecture solution for your organization's needs. Design a microservice architecture by leveraging cloud-native tools and patterns. Implement best practices in Kubernetes security, and use dashboards to diagnose, troubleshoot, and improve site reliability. Throughout the program, you will build a portfolio of 5 real-world projects that exemplify common business cases for the skills you've learned. There's never been a better time to expand your cloud knowledge. Enroll today in the Cloud Native Application Architecture Nanodegree program.